Welcome back to a new video, guys. We have a 2016 Ford Escape and I'm working on the rear brakes. After you remove the wheel, which you're going to be using a 19mm socket with a breaker bar, the next step is to take off the wire, this wire right here, with a needle nose or whatever you got. Go ahead and remove the wire like so. Very easy. Don't forget how it went, so that way when you put the new one back on, it goes the same way. Now we're gonna have access to the back. Remove the plugs. And get yourself an Allen wrench or a socket of 7mm. Put it in the back. Remove the two bolts, the slider pins. Once you got the two slider pins out, there's one, there's the other one. Go ahead and pry the caliper off. Place it out of the way. And remove your pads. Remember, the one with the spring on the top goes in the back. And the one without the spring goes in the front. Go ahead and clean the area well. I'm going to clean it better. All right, I cleaned up and I placed the new pads where they go. I took out the two pins, wiped the old grease, and put new grease on them. And now what we're going to do is we're going to push the caliper piston in. And that's going to be with, out of this kit, I'm going to use this tool. You're going to pick the one, the tip that fits, which is number 3. I'm going to place it right in there. I'll show you how. Hold on. Once you got the tool in place, you're gonna just, with both hands, grab onto the caliper and then turn till you get the piston get pushed all the way in to make room for the new pads. Okay, as you can see, the piston is pushed all the way back. Now we can go ahead and put the caliper back on there the way it goes. All right, both bolts are nice and tight. Caliper sitting where it needs to be sitting. Don't forget the caps. Put the caps back in. And what's next is the wire, the cable. We're gonna put the new cable on, the new secure wire on, okay? And there it is. It's a pain in the ass to get in, but you can get it in with a little bit of work. And once this is in, we have to get oil back into the caliper. So I'm gonna go pump on the brakes a few times till it gets hard. Then secure the cap in the brake reservoir and we should be done. That is it, guys. If you learned something, if you like the video, please like, subscribe. It's free. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.